how to add Canva presentation to PowerPoint. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Canva presentation to PowerPoint. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you're going to head over to Canva and open the specific presentation that you wish to add to PowerPoint. For example, this is the presentation that I wish to add and save as a PowerPoint presentation. So what you're going to do is simply open the Canva presentation, and then you have to click on this share button over here at the top right. And once you do so, you'll be able to see various options such as download, present, public view link. Now you can either present it directly from over here. If not, you can click on see all over here and you can simply type in PowerPoint. You wouldn't be able to see PowerPoint over here. You can simply search for it. If you're not able to find that, you can simply type in PowerPoint over here, and this is Microsoft PowerPoint. You can simply click on that and you need to select all of the pages if you wish to, download a complete presentation. And then you're going to click on download over here, and you can see that it is downloading in PPTX format, and just wait for it to get downloaded. And once it's done, you'll be able to see over here and let it finish installation. And once it's done, you can simply click on it, and now you can see it is untitled design. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see the Canva presentation has been downloaded as a PowerPoint. So that's basically how you can add Canva presentation to PowerPoint. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.